Here you will see a very interesting question from the topic sequences. Here question is, for the sequence a1 is equal to -1 and an is equal to an-1 by n+1, where n is greater than or equal to 2, find a4 and a5. Okay. So before finding a4 and a5, first of all let us find out a2 and a3. Then you will be able, it will be convenient to find a4 and a5. Okay, here we have given a1 is equal to -1 and an is equal to an-1 by n+1 for n is greater than or equal to 2. Correct? So how to get a2? By this expression, in place of n we have to write 2. So numerator will be a2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and this is a1 by 3, and a1 is how much? -1. So this is -1 by 3. Similarly, we can get a3 also with the help of this expression. General term is here, an is equal to an-1 by n+1. So a3 is equal to a3 minus 1 upon n+1, that is a2 by how much? N is 3, so 3 plus 1, and a2 is how much? a2 is -1 by 3, and this is 4. So this is equal to -1 by 12. So these are the values of a2 and a3 respectively. Now we will be able to find a4 and a5 also. So let us find a4. a4 will be a4 minus 1 by this expression. In place of n we are putting 4 and divided by 4 plus 1. Okay, so this is a3 by 5, and a3 is how much? -1 by 12 whole divided by 5. So this is equal to -1 by 12 into 1 by 5. This is equal to -1 by 60. This is the answer. And similarly we will find a5 also. So this is a5 minus 1 by 5 plus 1, and this is equal to a4 by 6, and a4 is equal to how much? This is -1 by 60 whole divided by 6. This is -1 by 60. This is 6 into 1 by 6, and this is equal to -1 by 360. So these are the answers. Very interesting question, very simple question, very important for competitive examinations. So thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.